Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how to make simple and delicious Gỏi Cuốn. Before we start making spring rolls, we must prepare and gather the important components that makes Gỏi Cuốn. 1 pound of pork belly, 1 pound of 1620 shrimp, vermicelli noodles, rice paper, green leaf lettuce, garlic chives, fresh mint leaves, perilla, and for the peanut dipping sauce, you will need 6 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 6 ounces of coconut soda, 5 cloves of fresh garlic mince, 1 whole shallot mince, 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, vegetable oil, crushed peanuts, and Thai chili pepper, which is optional. We will begin cooking the pork since it takes the longest. The water is being brought to a boil. I'm going to pour in some beer. I've always been taught how to make my pork belly this way by my mom. Don't ask me why. I just know that it makes the meat taste really good. Okay. Put in the pork belly. You can now let it boil for about 40 minutes. While we wait for the pork to cook, we'll prepare the shrimp and noodle in the meantime, as well as our peanut dipping sauce. I'm gonna boil the shrimp for about 2 minutes. Let's put them in. It's been 2 minutes and the shrimp is about done. I'm gonna take it out and put it into an ice bowl of water. This will allow it to stop the cooking process and cool your shrimp down. It will also give it a nice texture when you eat it too. It's time to boil the noodles, which is also called vermicelli or bún in Vietnamese. The noodle is done and it's time for me to pour it into this basket with running cold water so it can stop the cooking process. Just like that. Now we're gonna crush some peanuts, and this is really important because it's gonna go on top of our peanut sauce later. All right, I think this is good enough. Now the peanuts are fully crushed and ready to be put on the side. Now we're gonna make the peanut sauce. First, you have to pour in the cooking oil of your choice, fresh garlic, fresh chopped up shallots. Stir it around a little. Put in your peanut butter. It can be any peanut butter that you have in the house. I don't have a specific brand. I just have this in the pantry on hand, so it's convenient just to use this for now. I would say this would be 1 tablespoon. You can use more peanut butter if you like it to be a little more nutty. And then for hoisin sauce, I use this brand. I'm gonna eye it because I've been doing this for a long time, but I can tell you, you can use a tablespoon for measurement. So about 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can always adjust to your liking, whether you like it sweeter, a little bit more salty, it's up to you. Mix it in there, let it cook all together. Oh, it smells so good already. Pour in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Trust me, I know it sounds sweet, but it makes a big difference. Just makes everything more flavorful and delicious. And I use Coco Rico. I pour about 1/2 a can. Ooh, I almost forgot. There's 1 ingredient left. 1/2 a tablespoon of vinegar. Let's just say if you accidentally pour too much and it's just too watery, don't freak out and pour or throw everything away. You can always put starch later to thicken it up. Okay, now you just gotta stir until everything blends in and settles down. Just Once you start seeing everything blend, and you can turn it off and just let it continue to cook with the heat off. It's that easy, guys. Excuse my daughter. She wants to be a part of our channel too, and that's fine. You can see, just let everything settle down and all the white bubble will go away. I'm gonna taste this. This is delicious. And here goes the peanut sauce when it's done. So you can either eat it dressed up with crushed peanuts, fried shallots, and Thai chili pepper, or you can just eat it by itself. So I'm gonna have one bowl by itself and one bowl dressed up. And this is how I dress it up. Put the crushed peanuts on top. Put some fried shallots. And then put on some Thai chili pepper. Just like that. And you're done. But I also want to note that if you are allergic to peanut sauce and you need an alternative, you can also use the sweet fish sauce Tram. I have that recipe on my other video, so you can go look that up to learn how to make that sauce. But yes, we are done. That's all you need. This is like the important ingredient of this dish. Time's up. The pork is done. Now we're gonna shock it in the ice bath to stop the cooking process and let it cool down. Now it's time to slice up the pork into thin pieces, so that way we can roll them later. And try your best. Just like that. This isn't the prettiest piece of meat here, but once you cut it, you really can't tell. Now it's time to peel off this fresh boiled shrimp. So we can slice it in half later for the Gỏi Cuốn. I don't know how people peel this so fast, but I'm doing the best I can. I know my mom can peel 2 shrimp all at once. Oh, that juice looks good. Pinch the tail, pull it out. Okay, it's time to slice the shrimp in half. And the reason for this is so that when you roll the spring roll, it'll look more aesthetic. And when you bite into it, it won't be chewy. Because you know, when you bite into a thick piece of shrimp, it's kind of unpleasant. And the rice paper is already chewy itself. Just like that. Now you get 2 pieces of shrimp. Just like find the line in the middle and then just cut like that. And you can clean it too as well. Okay, now that everything is done and prepped, we are ready to roll. First, grab a sheet of rice paper. Lay it right on top of this wooden board. I like to fold my rice paper like so, because I like to see my lettuce sticking out. It just looks better and appealing to my eyes. But you can just do it the old school way and roll it like a burrito. Lay down the lettuce. You can use butter lettuce or regular green leaf lettuce. I personally like butter lettuce. And then put in some perillas, a little bit of green mince, and you can grab some boon, vermicelli, put it right in the center of that, and we're gonna adjust as you go. I hate it when it gets stuck to my finger. Okay, and then you grab your pork belly or meat, kind of lay it right there. You can see it. And my shrimp, I like to lay it like that. Make sure that the colored part or the pretty part of the shrimp is laying facing the other way, because when you roll it, you don't want to see the inside of the shrimp. It looks ridiculous. But if you're eating it and you're not really showing it, it doesn't matter. But I like my food to look good. Okay, and this is hea. Put that on the side so that way I can roll it later. Okay, let's see how the first one goes. Okay, you don't want to leave it too long. See what I did there? Now it's like really sticky and hard to roll. Hopefully it doesn't rip. All right, we're going somewhere right now. It's looking promising. Then you stick in your hair at the end. You just neatly finish rolling it up. And there you go. You have a perfect roll. At least in my eyes, it's perfect. Lay it on the plate like so. Well, now the food's done. All we have to do is try it. Here goes the sauce. Gỏi Cuốn. Just dip it in like so. The sauce is so good. The Gỏi Cuốn is so good. Y'all, go get your ingredients and make this immediately. So good. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't already, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Also, drop a comment below to let us know what you would like for us to make next. See y'all in the upcoming video. Peace. This is what the inside of the spring roll looked like.